moving so differently. Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me time and place.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another motivating video. So I've not done one of these in quite a while and I figured it was a good time to do one. I just got home from work. I could definitely use a drink. My house is a wreck and it could definitely use some cleaning. So I'm coming at you again with another happy power hour. If you enjoy these videos, let me know by giving this one a like. Also, if you enjoy cleaning motivation and things like that, make sure you subscribe before you go. If you can't hear, Bodie is down here dancing around because he's ready to get started just as much as I am. I want to go ahead and get done as much as I can so I can relax for the rest of the evening, but we cannot do that yet until we have our drink of the day. Okay, you guys, so you know I like to do things just like quick and to the point, and making these drinks are no exception. I don't like to use a lot of steps or ingredients. I just want to get it done. So that is exactly what we're going to do with today's drink as well. If you guys did not see, I posted a Walmart shop and haul with me video. If you did not see it, I'm going to have it right up here. All you got to do is click that little thing and it will take you right to the video. Make sure you go and watch it because I found so many new cute cool things at Walmart, so make sure you go check that out. But anyway, in that video I showed you guys this Sun-Kissed strawberry lemonade. You guys, I got this for the sole purpose of using it like as a mixer. Best idea I ever had. So what we're gonna do is take some vodka. I'm not gonna show this because I don't know if people get offended, but you know what? It's my channel. So I'm just gonna take some vodka here. I've got my glass of ice and we're just gonna eyeball it to 3, just about like that. And we're going to top it off with this Sun-Kissed. It tastes amazing with or without anything in it. It's very light, very refreshing. It's a beautiful color. So we're just gonna top it off with that. I've got my matching straw. So good, so light, so refreshing, and this is gonna get me through the speed clean, no problem. As always, drink responsibly, only if you're 21 and older. But yeah, I've got a lot to do and I'm only gonna spend an hour doing it. So if you are ready to get motivated, ready to clean along with me, we're gonna set our timers and we're gonna get started.
me. With you I'll never ever breathe, I'm never ever free.
I know now.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky. Part of this circus, is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter, or is this our fate? At least now I'm feeling better.
Alright you guys, so I have spent most of my time here in the kitchen. I'm at 28 minutes and 42 seconds. So now that this is done, that was going to take the biggest part of my time. I knew that. I'm going to go ahead and move on into the living room. I'm going to let my robot do its thing in there. So all I really need to do is pick things up out of the floor, get everything dusted, clean up my couch, just the usual. And I had asked you guys in my last video to help me name my robot vacuum. If you did not see that video, I will have that linked up here. Make sure you just click that little tab and it will take you right to it as soon as you finish watching this video. Go and check that out. But I asked you guys to suggest some names for my robot vacuum. I got a ton of really good ideas and I honestly don't know which one to choose. I'm torn between the Jetsons one, and now I can't even remember the name of her, and I'm sure you guys are probably screaming at your screen right now. Rosie. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call her Rosie, and I'm just gonna let her do her thing. Thank you guys so much for giving me your suggestions. They were all wonderful, but that just seems to make sense. So I'm gonna let Rosie do her thing in there. I'm going to dust to get everything picked up. That's just gonna take really quick, a couple minutes. Then I'm gonna hit that bedroom. I've got some stuff to get in the washer, get my bed made up. It's just horrible in there. I don't know how it gets that way, but it is. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that.
Way that you're moving so differently. Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me time and place. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need it's something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, give me a time and So be safe and hold on tight. Is it just me who's falling? I'm in too deep. Give me a time and place. Ooh, nah. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place.
Okay, so you can hear Rosie doing her thing in the living room. That did not take me any time at all, and I knew it wouldn't. So that's gonna give me the rest of my time to work on my bedroom, and it definitely needs it. As you saw in the beginning of the video, it's a hot mess. So we're gonna go ahead and move on in there and see what all we can get done. I would really like to get some laundry started. I actually started a load this morning before I went to work, and it's just like kitchen towels and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that into the dryer, get my stuff in the washer, and then we're gonna head on into the bedroom.
It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to. The city don't want us, babe. We won't survive this place. The city don't want us. The city don't want it. And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city don't want us. Got a tendency to fading out underwater. Yeah, are we losing touch? Are we falling? And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city don't want us. So we stay blind. Oh,
Okay, so timer's done, my drink is done. I got everything done that I wanted to get cleaned up today. I got my kitchen, my living room, my bedroom, the 3 major areas. I spent 1 hour only, and for the rest of the night I can just relax, do anything else that I need to do. I love doing these speed clean videos because it keeps me motivated, and I know I can get some stuff done without feeling bad about not doing something in the evenings, if that makes sense, and I only spend an hour doing it. So if you enjoyed this video, again, like I said, make sure to leave this one a like. If you're not subscribed and you enjoy videos like this, make sure you do so before you leave. I would love for you to stick around and become a part of my YouTube family. But for now, I'm gonna go rest and relax. Maybe make me another drink, I'm not sure. But as always, I love you and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Give me a time and